Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning and connecting the LG washer. Make sure hoses are tight and the unit is level to prevent vibration. Next, sort laundry by fabric and soil so cycles match the load. This improves cleaning and protects garments. Measure heat detergent precisely. Too much creates excess suds, too little reduces effectiveness. Once done, open the drum and load evenly, leaving gaps for water flow, and close the door firmly so the machine can run its automatic detection. You now pick the right cycle for the fabric and soil level. This controls agitation, time, and temperature to protect clothes and save energy. Make precise adjustments, lower temps for delicates, high spin for sturdy items, and add pre-wash or steam for stubborn stains because these options alter water and mechanical action. If available, connect to the app to download cycles or set a delay start so the rinse finishes when you're home. This keeps clothes fresh and avoids extra rewashing. You finish by removing laundry promptly to prevent wrinkles and odors, and hang or dry items according to labels. Timely unloading maintains drum balance. Make maintenance a habit. Run the tub clean monthly, wipe the gasket, and keep the dispenser clean so performance stays optimal. If you encounter an error code, first power cycle the machine and check hoses and drain for kinks or blockages if the issue persists. Note the code and contact support. This saves diagnostic time and prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.